So a lot of what I do is just trying to generate like content and followership.
Sajan Panikar and a handful of other University of Florida students have the opportunity of working at the Gator Hatchery, an incubator for student entrepreneurs interested in starting their own businesses. The hatchery, which opened back in January of 2015, offers these students a variety of resources to help them launch their ventures.
If a student has a business, we have lots of other resources, just from the very start of a business idea to the hatchery, which is really trying to grow your venture.
Nola Miyasaki, director of the hatchery, believes peer-to-peer networking is essential for starting a business. The 12 companies currently working at the hatchery provide support and ideas to one another.
And they all have insights and they've all given me advice about what I'm trying to do that I never would have thought of myself.
Students interested in starting their own businesses could stop by the Gator Hatchery for advice, or they could ask a fellow classmate who majored in business and has now started her own.
Yeah, we just sold out of everything, so.
At only 22 years old, Elise Smith already owns a clothing line, Lagos Bikinis, which she created to inspire travel.
And I came up with Lagos because Lagos is like basically anything surrounded by water. And that's always what I grew up around, and so it was perfect.
The young designer hand makes every item, always aiming to create something original and unique.
I kind of just taught myself how to do it and started messing around, a lot of trial and error.
The business has taken off, and the entire spring collection has already been sold out, which only motivates Smith to keep pursuing her passion. Augustina Buedo, WUFT News.